Hello, today we will show you the difference between our two Emsculpt new machines. One is the vertical one, another is the portable one. First, they have the same technology. The Emsculpt combines the radio frequency. Second, they have the same function. The Emsculpt helps to build the muscle, and the radio frequency helps to burn the fat. Third, they have the same power. They have the same Tesla and also have the same frequency. And the fourth, they have the same working interface. They have the same working interface. We can see there, the vertical one has auto mode and manual mode. The portable one also have the auto mode and the manual mode. So they are the same working interface. Let's see the main difference of these two machines. The vertical one has more space to output the heat, and the portable one has less space. So the vertical one will work continuous a longer time than the portable one. And the second difference is that the vertical one has the wheels to move it easily, and the portable one do not have the wheels, but we can put it on the trolley so you can move it easily. Then maybe you want to know how to choose the vertical one or the portable one. Here is our advice. If you have a professional and a big clinic and also have enough space, have enough budget, then we advise the vertical model. But if you are a small spa business or just started your salon business, then we advise this portable one. Okay, those are all the differences between the portable Emsculpt new machine and the vertical Emsculpt machines. If you have more questions or want to learn more details about these two machines, please contact us freely. Thank you.